Friends, welcome back to Tech Log YouTube channel. In this video, I'll let you know how to save battery life in Samsung S24 Ultra. Not maybe if you are using a latest Samsung means you can follow this video. Okay, let's see. Let's I'll open in Chrome. I will provide this blog link in description. Go and read it. Okay, guys. If you're not interested in watching video, okay. First, go to settings, search NFC. NFC means it's a call transaction, guys. Just go to settings, search NFC. If you see NFC and contactless payments, by default it's where it's NFC and contactless payments is by default enabled. Disable it, guys, if you're not using it means. Okay, that's it. Second one, go to battery settings, set performance profile to light. Okay, let's go to settings in search battery, share battery. Oh my god, that is profile, performance profile. Performance profile. Yeah, guys, set it as light. That's it, guys. Now third one, turn off the nearby device scan. Yeah, just go to settings. As usual, search nearby share. Wait a minute. What is that? Turn off nearby device scan. Sorry, guys. Yeah, this one. Guys, it's enabled. I really don't want to always scan nearby devices, so I disable this option. Wallpaper change default to any dark color. Guys, see, go with any dark color. Now I don't want to change the wallpaper, so I'm not. Sorry, guys, I received one call from my colleague. That's why new video, not new video. You can see some cuts and trim. Okay, now set mobile to dark mode. Where I can set that? Guys, simply search dark mode in settings and set it as dark. That's it, guys. Turn off lock screen wallpaper. Yeah, if you are using Samsung S24 Ultra means if you see the lock wallpaper, it's moving, guys. It's moving means it will definitely suck our battery energy. So remove that. How to do that? Let's go to, what is that? Lock screen wallpaper. Yeah, simply search lock screen AOD. Always on display. Guys, this is, guys, always on display. Yeah, just turn off that one. That's it. Now check screen timeout. Yeah, you guys know it. Uh, by default, it will have 1 minute or 5 minutes. If you want just a 30 seconds, set it, guys. It will definitely save our battery life. Enable auto restart. Yeah, what is that? Yeah, regularly using phones, sometimes it's need a auto restart or schedule restart. Auto restart. Enable, guys. Restart on need when needed. It means if restart is definitely needed, means it will restart. If you don't want to restart in the middle of the day or something like that, means go with a restart on schedule. You can set date and time, that time it will restart, guys. Turn off Bluetooth Wi-Fi and location if you are not using them. That's it, guys. If you don't want it, means don't want it, not like that. If you are not using, means kindly turn off them. It sucks our battery energy. By this way you can save your Samsung S24 Ultra battery life, guys. Bye bye.